Welcome back to Jen's Hangout. If you're new here, please smash that like button and that subscribe button over there. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. Really helps me out a lot. And please remember, just, pop in a comment. Say hi, how you doing? What'd you think of the video? Whatever. Ask me a question. You name it. But anyway, if you're curious what today's video is all about, keep watching. It's a Shop Me Say haul. I'm so excited. I haven't done a Shop Me Say haul in a long time. And everybody's doing Temu hauls, and I have one of those coming out. But, good old Shop Me Say. They have some amazing stuff for $1 or $1.55 or, and that's generally the extent of what it is. Unless you get one of their bundles of something where it's multiples of the same item or something like that. Then it'll be like 5 or 10. They're bigger. They have a couple big eyeshadow palettes, or they used to. And those were 10. But that's about the most ever. And they always package everything in these big, huge bubble packagers. Probably just flash you guys my address. Doesn't matter. It's in my description box. But that's really stuck on there. Guess it don't matter. It's what I bought. I'd like to see what I bought because I don't remember. But they always package them in these big puffy air packages. I have never had anything broke by them. Knock on wood. Since they have started doing these big bubble mailers, and they work really good, but I always end up having to pop them. Whee! Otherwise I can't get my hand in there. What did I just do? I just let the air out. Come on. Yeah, just let the air out. Okay, so let's see what we got, because I don't remember. I ordered it in December. Usually they're pretty good about their shipping, but with the holidays and all that stuff. Oh, this is one of their new eyeshadow palettes. I'm really excited to try this one out. This is one of their gradient ones. So I'm really excited to try this. This one is Emerald Peacock. And it is beautiful. And the packaging is not bad. Not too shabby. I can never get them open though. Not too shabby. Oh my gosh, those colors are gorgeous. Those are really beautiful. This would be great in the purse, because you could use it for a lot of things. Like you could use this as highlighter. You could use this as a blush. So it's a good multi-purpose palette. Wow. How do they swatch? That green is not too shabby. They're a little rough, but they smooth out. They smooth out. So it's just the top is a little rough, and then they smooth out. Those are nice. Oh, that matte is really buttery. Kind of turns into a satin. Really nice. Oh, that brown. That brown is real nice. Those are nice. And then this is Buttery. And look at that. Oh yeah, that would be a beautiful highlight. Beautiful. Excited for that. Running out of tissues. I got a bunch of empty magnetic palettes because they've been out for a long time. And their magnetic palettes are really nice. They work really well. And they're like, I don't know, $5 or $6. Maybe 7. But I got a bunch of them. Because, in my opinion, you can never have enough. So, I got this one, which is very pretty. I got this one, it's all tie-dye, very pretty, very fun. This one, all the happy faces. And then this one with the pretty flowers. So those are great. I got a new little laundry bag. I don't use these for my delicates or anything like that. What I use them for are my makeup sponges. So what I wanted to have is one that's clean and one that is dirty. So I got an extra one. And this is a large, so this so this will go a long way. And how I wash my makeup sponges is I just use one of these mesh bags. I also put my reusable cloths in there too. And I throw them in the washing machine. And then I hang them dry. I don't actually dry them. I just hang them dry. But, and it works beautifully. They come out beautifully clean. And they're wonderful. Okay, I got a pair of yoga socks. These are workout ankle socks with non-slip grips and slips. Because I'm going to be having to do a lot more physical therapy now that I've had heart surgery. So, I wanted to get some of these yoga socks. So, for physical therapy. They look like this. So, very nice. They're kind of a universal size because they really stretch. Anyway, so that's that. And then I didn't get a whole lot from Shop Miss A because I didn't need a whole lot. And then I got this. I got 2 of their new lip crayons in different shades of mauve. They're kind of lip balm. They're the same shade. Why did I get 2 the same? Oh no, they're not the same shade. One's Utopia and one is Whimsy. So one's a little bit darker than the other. But they are... I love lip crayons to stick in my purse because they are nice. Because they're kind of a combination between a balm and a lipstick. And that's nice to have. And then I got these 2 for my husband to try out if he likes them. Because he works with boxes all day at work. And so his hands get like Sahara Desert dry. So I got him the Alpha Arbutin and the aloe vera lotions. So let's see if he likes them. That is all for my Shop Miss A haul. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have hit up Shop Miss A lately. They have a ton of new stuff out. I'm excited to try this little palette though. But yeah, they have a ton of new stuff out. So I'm really, really excited to check out some of their new stuff. And you guys know a lot of their products are my holy grails. So, blessings to y'all. I love you so, so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye.